Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John.
Oh, hello, Pocky. Do you have an egg for me today? Thank you, Pocky. Oh, what's inside? It's a train. Which train is this? Do you recognize him by his face? He's green, and the number 3. Who is it? It's Henry. Well, let's do a Thomas and Friends sticker book treasury page today. It's green, just like Henry, huh? Okay, so it looks like we have some pictures of just a little bit of the faces of some of the engines. So we have to use our clues and figure out which one it is. So let's see here. Who is that? Is that... it looks like he has a purple paint on him. Who is that? Who is purple? Is it Charlie? Does that look like Charlie? With his eyebrows and his eye? That is Charlie. Okay, so this one has, what color of paint does this one have? Blue. And whose eye is that? Is it Thomas's eye? That looks like Thomas. So let's put that sticker on that spot there. Now this one, do you recognize those eyes? It's a green train. I'm pretty sure that's going to be Emily. There we go. This one here looks like he has a sort of a square face and he has wood slats on the side. Who has that? I'm thinking it's probably going to be Toby. What do you think? That looks like Toby. All right. Okay, this one we can't tell. We can't tell what color it is, but I think by the nose and the eyes, I think we can sort of guess who it's going to be. Who do you think it is? I think it's going to be Gordon. Alright, let's go on to this page. Well, that's a unique face, isn't it? It has red paint on it. Doesn't look very much like a regular train. It has a crane part on it. So I think that's going to be Rocky. Can you see the face there? And it's red. So that is Rocky. Okay, now this one has yellow and black stripes on it. Do you recognize this one's face? Is it Mavis? That looks like Mavis. And now this one, you can always tell who this one is. She has freckles and she has pink lips. And she is, who is she? Rosie. Now this one has yellow and gray and black. Do you recognize his face? Who's this guy? Bash. Okay. And the last one we have, you can sort of see his eyebrows and you can tell who he is by his eyebrows and by his face. Can you tell who he is? And he has he has some stripes, some caution stripes on him. Who is he? Do you recognize him? It's Victor. Nice. Okay. That was fun. Thank you for your help. We found all of the engines and put them with their correct faces.
Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Subscribe to my channel for new videos every weekday and Saturdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Please press the like button below this video. Have a lovely day.